All right, you've probably seen those animal topiary videos going viral all over social media lately. Let me show you step by step so you can create your own in just a few minutes. First, let's talk about the prompts. You'll need 5 image prompts and 1 video prompt. I've already prepared everything for you. You can grab them from my website. Link is in the description below. Before using them, make sure you replace every word animal with the animal you want. For example, if you want to create a panda, just swap all animal words with panda. Once that's done, you're ready for the next step. Step 1. Generate images. We're going to start by generating the base image first. Just copy the base image prompt from my website. Then head over to Pipit AI and log in using the link in the description. After that, choose the image generation tool and paste your prompt into the prompt box. For the settings, you can use the same ones I use. Select the Dream 5.0 Lite model, set the resolution to 2K, and make sure the aspect ratio is 9:16. Once everything is ready, click Generate, and wait for the process to finish. You'll get 4 results, and from there, you can simply choose the one you like the most and download it to use for the next step. Now for the second image, just copy the second image prompt, go back to the image generation tool, upload the image you downloaded earlier, and paste the new prompt. You don't need to change the settings again. Just generate it and download the result. From here, the process becomes even simpler. To create the third image, use your base image again as a reference. Then, for the fourth image, use the third image as the reference. And finally, for the fifth image, use the fourth image as the reference. It's basically a chain process, and once you get it, it feels really easy. Now, let's turn those images into a video. Start by copying the video prompt from my website, then go back to Pipit AI and switch to the video generation tool. Here, you'll want to select the Dramina Dance 2.0 Fast model. Make sure the aspect ratio is set to Portrait 9:16, and the duration is 15 seconds, so it fits perfectly for short-form content. Next, upload all 5 images you created earlier, but make sure the order is correct. Place image 2 first, then image 1, followed by image 3, image 4, and image 5 in sequence. After that, just paste the video prompt into the prompt box, click Generate, and let the system do its thing for a few minutes. And boom! Your own viral-style animal topiary video is ready. But wait, before you go, imagine turning this into a full series with different animals every day. Which one are you gonna make first? Lion, panda, or maybe something crazy like a dragon? Try it out and let me know in the comments.